This is official, bitch.
Yes, it is, dog.
This is fire.
Freedom Factory, y'all.
Yeah, I'm on the list.
Yeah.
I'm on the list.
I'm on the list.
I'm on the list.
I'm driving.
What's going on, man? Yeah, last name is Rios. I'm not on the list, bro.
You holding it?
I'm really not on the list.
Bring up your ticket again.
Oh, shit.
Oops. My heart dropped. He was like tomorrow's event. I'm like,
Jackson at number 1.
I was like, I
wanted
didn't even
to
know that
throw
there
up.
was one tomorrow.
I wanted to throw up.
Right around here.
Okay.
Wherever you can.
All right, sounds good.
Here we are, y'all. We made it, man. JP Blows, Rachel, you know what I'm saying? We out here. Hey,
My
it's
dog.
about to be a good event, man.
I hope so.
It is.
We'll
It
see.
is. It's going to be fun.
We'll see what happens.
First time at the Freedom Factory.
Yeah.
It's dope. So I guess we can't compete because we don't have a cage. How you feeling right now, man?
Bro, I'm so sad. I made
All
a fool.
because
I
of a
made
cage.
I made a fool of myself.
But I just feel like, well, maybe we just did, everything happened so fast. I don't think that we really
Yeah, I bought the ticket.
looked enough. I didn't see anything where it said cage, but then again,
I didn't either.
I wasn't looking.
Yeah, I didn't really look either. I didn't see any specifics on the actual event, to be completely honest. That's kind of why I registered in the first place, but...
Yeah.
FaceTime video.
Uh-oh.
Here's Camel. So Camel doesn't know that I've gotten kicked out yet. Hey, Camel! What happened? I'm heading back, bro. Let's head back.
You want to leave?
Yeah, I want my money back.
All right,
dude.
bye Freedom Factory. We'll see y'all. A lot of people didn't know that you needed cages, supposedly, and even like some bigger drivers that didn't know that you needed a cage to compete. But
Yeah, Freedom Factory, what the hell?
yeah, what's wrong with y'all? No, they cool, they chilling, but definitely got to do better with that for sure. That has to be addressed, but it is what it is. It's events. Sometimes shit goes down, sometimes shit's wrong, sometimes shit gets fucked up, but you know, we'll keep it pushing. We still gonna have fun today.
Yeah, it's still like a fun day, so I can still drive, but I can't like drive with anybody like at OSW and all the other tracks. If I don't have a cage, I can only go by myself.
My God, what a wasted trip.
Well, I mean, not really. I mean, yeah, it's kind of wasted because that's what I thought I was gonna compete, but it is what it is.
But you drive.
Didn't you look at the qual?
Yeah, I'll take that one.
So this is one that gets me an FD.
Yeah,
So
it gets you into all events.
I'm pretty excited, to be honest, bro.
We got the drivers meeting in 7 minutes, yo. It's 92 degrees outside.
It's hot as fuck.
So we chilling in the AC.
That's my girl.
I'll edit that out.
First place and $500 a second. We don't want to get crazy. It's our first one. We just want to enjoy it. So the decisions are made by the judges. No bitching.
Dude,
just enjoy
what's
it.
up?
It's the Freedom Factory. If you've already been to one of these, you know it's just a lot of fun. This is not the world's most serious drift competition you've ever been in. Who wants to be in the drift competition? How many do we got? 7:30 to 8. If you want to be in the drift competition, make sure you make at least one run. 7:30 to 8.
Oh, dude. Scrub?
She fucking roasts them now.
Damn. How much you pushing?
485, baby.
God damn. Is that VVTI?
Sometimes.
Oh, sometimes. That's why I asked.
All right, so now we're gonna go. Everybody wants to see how the layout really is, so Cletus is gonna go run that. We gonna check it out.
I need to have a driver land here.
Time to go put on the the show.
The bathroom.
Over here.
You said you could walk away. And this is what happens when your eardrums have been busted by far too many tire pops and engine rub. And there's my man. Some person. Forgot his name. Edit this out, JP.
What's up?
What's up, baby? Don't do me like that, bro.
Come on, bro. You gotta change in the pants. Hey. Hey, give me a thumbs up. Man, that was quick, bro.
I know, bro.
Get your ass. How you feeling today, bro?
Man, I'm tired. Came straight from work.
Your first time here?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
Well, I mean, I've been here when it was DeSoto.
Oh, it was different. Okay, got you. Now it's the Freedom Factory, baby.
Hey, you know the American Eagles.
Yeah, you hear about this screaming.
Hey, to be honest, I need to go over here to Collins and get a sponsorship.
Yeah.
I'm about to use their adapter on my RXK.
Oh, for real? Okay. All right, then.
Yeah, it's the RX-8 with a K24, baby.
Woo! Isn't Alex building one of those too?
Hey, you wanna know what the funny thing is? It's still gonna be cheaper than your 350Z.
Okay, bro. It ain't gonna be faster, though.
What's wrong? It's got to air up.
Yeah.
Is it down on power?
I don't know, bro.
It seems
Sounds like I need
it.
to swap, boy.
Fuck.
I don't know. I don't know.
Time to go home.
Bro, this is wild, dog.
I told you, bro.
Bro, this is wild.
That's kind of dope. I'm not even lying.
shift.
I had to, bro.
Bro, you lost the shift knob.
Yeah, I know.
Lost the fucking shift knob.
I had to, bro.
Shifted
I
that
had to, bro. I had to, bro.
bro. Oh.
Woo!
So fire.
That was a good exit, bro.
Yes.
That was a good exit.
Oh my
I think I
god.
meant something. Maybe not. The car's fine. It's all good.
Yeah.
But that was good.
Bro, that
I
was
lost
so
the shift knob, bro. Look.
Go.
I was like, I've shifted in a second. Boop, pop
Woo.
right off.
For real, I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, I was like, fuck that. I guess we going, bitch.
I can't even
That
get.
was kind of good. Bro,
I
we
can't
hit
even
the
get-
bank so fucking hard. Did you see that?
Who?
When we hit the bank?
Yeah, dude.
I was like,
I was like, oh shit, it's going
oh,
up.
I didn't eat brake or anything. I just kept that shit.
I can't even believe my dog pulled a 360, bro. That was wild. That was good.